Peace, peace, peace. This your brother Monroe Jr. I'm going to be offering my brief commentary right after this quick clip. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. This your brother Monroe Jr. So I'm going to play a video of a brother going further in depth pertaining to the Karatbars international KBC coin investment opportunity. I think I got in around 2 cents. Right now it's about at 8 cents. Almost on the verge of being 9 cents. So that means as an investor, hypothetically speaking, if you put in 3,000, right now your investment account is close to 12,000. But this is one of the greatest opportunities, honestly, that I have ever seen. I really see this coin subduing Bitcoin here in the next 4, 5 to 10 years because it's backed by real tangible gold that will be exchangeable. Their coins, 100 KBC coins, will be exchangeable for 1 gram of gold. Right now, you can go to any gold dealer, gold and silver seller or establishment, and they'll buy that from you for around $41, $42 a gram. Right now you can get 100 KBC coin for $8. When I originally posted this on Facebook, you could get it for $3. The price is going up as more investors are becoming aware of this opportunity. This is a company, Karatbars International. Now they have a network marketing side. I'm not dealing with network marketing. I go out to the markets and I purchase these coins directly and put them in my wallet, right? I can show you how to do that. However, there is a consultation fee that accompanies that because it's very time oriented, is very time demanding on learning how to go out to the markets and purchase those coins. However, you can grasp the concept by simply going to YouTube and typing in how do I purchase Bitcoin, right? And that'll kind of give you a basic understanding of how the blockchain technology works. And what makes this particular cryptocurrency so powerful is that it has the systemic blockchain network structure of Bitcoin, but then you add a tangible asset like gold that the most honorable Elijah Muhammad said that would become the future medium of exchange, and you have a network backed by a physical asset that you could exchange the digital network for the physical asset. So you're bringing both digital and physical realities together, and it's very, very powerful, brothers and sisters. But this company is a real company that raised $100 million in their initial coin offering. So there are a lot of investors that threw a lot of money into this thing. And this company has gold mines that have 500 tons of gold over in Madagascar, Africa. I'm going to show some of the audit paperwork, but this brother, I came across his video and he did a good job kind of showing some of the market capitalizations of the company, showing some of the financials of the company. So I'm going to play this video. This is another young brother that's also invested in it. I think he's on the network marketing side. I'm straight out in the markets as an investor. So I wouldn't be able to explain, you know, how their packages work. Like I said, I go directly out to the markets. Earlier, you can go to YouTube, type in how to purchase Bitcoin, and that'll kind of give you a concept of how to go out to the markets and buy digital currency. If you can grasp the concept of how to buy Bitcoin, you can grasp the concept of how to buy KBC coin or Karatbars coin out in the markets, brothers and sisters. I'm going to go ahead and roll the video of this young brother. This your brother Monroe Jr. I'm signing out. Peace.
We're disrupting the whole cryptocurrency atmosphere. We're disrupting that whole space. So many millionaires are going to come out of Karatbars. And you're going to be somebody, and it's still going to be somebody who watched this video, won't sign up, won't get no coins, and going to make an excuse in their head why they couldn't take advantage of this opportunity. I'm going to go right here. This is what got me excited. And I'm going to go ahead and refresh this screen. So this is Etherscan. Now, there's some people ask about the market cap. Do our market cap, do we go based on total supply, or do you go based on a circulated supply? So I want to address both of those and then put our company in the proper position. But a lot of people have been seeing our coin KBC, which is backed by gold, just taking off. I mean, taking off in the last few days. And I think there are multiple factors to that. I believe that it's because obviously we got the gold guarantee on the 4th of July, 100 of our coins equaling a gram of gold, which means that our coin is massively undervalued right now. Okay, massively undervalued right now. So this is a buying opportunity. This is an opportunity to put yourself in position to change your financial trajectory this year in the multiples of digits. Okay. Also, we have Dubai. In Dubai, our company and our CEO will be releasing our blockchain, voice over blockchain protocol, smartphones, okay, satellite phones integrated with our payment system in gold. So that's next level. And a lot of updates, big time updates are going to come out from that as well. Okay, those are the main two things company-wise that I believe are excelling this coin right now on the markets. Now, if I look at the global markets, I see that the Federal Reserve has just recently come out and acknowledged that they're not going to increase interest rates at all this year. They said that the U.S. economy is slowing down and that we will not hit GDP forecasts. Okay, so we're coming to a slowdown. We're coming to a recession. The economy is not growing. And so gold becomes very attractive in financial crisis and in times of inflation. So right now, as gold increases on the market, as gold becomes more attractive, that means our company, our assets, our business, this opportunity becomes more attractive, increases in value, okay, creates massive wealth for people who are in this company, who are part of Karatbars, and putting themselves in position with gold and gold-backed cryptocurrency. Because you have to understand, the more that gold increases in the market, the more our coin increases, the more the value of our company increases, okay? And so when I'm looking at the value and the reason our coin is expanding is because Karatbars is the alternative. Karatbars is the solution to the problem. Karatbars is the antithesis to this system, okay? We have in place a gold payment system on the blockchain to where you can pay in cash gold, which is gold embedded in the notes to give the money, to give the currency value, unlike the Federal Reserve note, which is a piece of paper that used to be backed in gold. We don't need anything backed in gold because the gold is inside the currency, okay? We have an app called Karatpay where you can send gold digitally from one person to the next, the same way you use Cash App, except you're sending digital gold. And then we have kryptonized gold. We have cryptocurrency gold, all right? And so what that means is right now when you are joining Karatbars, you're getting gold. You're getting assets for pennies, which is guaranteed to increase in value because the physical price has to meet the digital price. And the digital price of our coin is beneath the physical price of gold, even though you can exchange our digital coins for physical gold. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's math, not emotion. A gram of gold right now is around $40 to $50. If one coin is to be 1 gram of gold, that means one coin has to be at least $40 to $50. But when we're talking about cryptocurrency, that doesn't mean the coin is going to be $40 to $50. The coin can be multiple of values higher than that. Okay, but with a guarantee that it will be at least $40 to $50 because of the underlying asset. You have to understand what I'm saying. When we look at Bitcoin, and a lot of people got wealthy off of Bitcoin, Bitcoin went from $20,000 to $3,000. What's stopping Bitcoin from going to zero? Ask yourself that. What's stopping Bitcoin from going to zero? And my answer to that is, what's stopping it is nothing. But what stops our coin from going to zero is because we have gold behind it. You can exchange coins for physical gold. So for the simple fact that you can exchange coins for physical gold, the coin always has a value because you can attach it to something in the real world that has value. And that's 24 karat 999.9 pure gold. You have to understand the massive amount of wealth that's being generated right now from people who got into Karatbars early on at a penny. Some of us were getting this coin for free, and now this coin is accelerating thousands of hundreds of percent. All right, and it's going to continue to increase. 7 cents, 8 cents, 14 cents. Okay, that's wealth being created. Okay, this is an asset, and now a lot of us are excited about the penny moves that are being made. This coin is not a penny coin. This coin is not a dollar coin. Okay, this coin is a multiple of dollars coin. So we're talking about creating and generating massive wealth by simply putting yourself in position with the right cryptocurrency asset back behind it in the right company. That's Karatbars International. And as you can see, if you have not seen these shirts, we rock these shirts very proudly because we're dealing with something that's a guarantee. And it says, we try to tell y'all Karatbars. Okay. And we're continuing trying to tell you, if you have not signed up with Karatbars, you need to sign up immediately. Your financial future depends on it. Okay, because these are once in a lifetime opportunities. And as this thing skyrockets and take off, a couple of days ago, this coin was at 3 cents. It's already trending past 6, 7 cents, 8 cents. It's on its way up. Okay, so we're experiencing on a weekend, by the way. What's today, Sunday? That's one thing about the crypto market. The crypto market don't sleep. The stock market is, Monday through Friday, 8 hours or whatever it is. Crypto market is 24/7. Money's being made. Okay, so when I look at this, when I look at Etherscan, and I'm gonna hit refresh here and let's see where it is now. It says Etherscan says we're over $1 billion in market cap. Okay, and the coin is at over 8 cents. I want you to understand, some people got this coin at a penny, under a penny, and some people have thousands of coins, hundreds of thousands of coins, millions of coins, and some of y'all don't have no coins. Some of y'all playing around not understanding it. You don't have to understand it. You just need to put your fiat currency that's losing value every year, especially in this economy right now, where they're going to be printing massive amount of money to try to keep this economy going. You can look for QE3. What that means is they're going to print massive amount of money to keep liquidity in these markets, okay? Because we're coming up on a credit crisis where the United States cannot get the money that it needs to borrow from other countries to keep this operation running. And that's why we have the bond yield curve inversion, because the short-term bonds are paying more than the long-term bonds. So who wants to hold, what country, what investor wants to hold a 10-year bond when he can hold a 3-month bond and get a higher interest rate? All right, so anyways, we're at $1 billion in market cap. Remember this, over $1 billion, right? Let's go to my next slide here. This is CoinMarketCap. Now, CoinMarketCap lists the top 100 cryptocurrencies. CoinMarketCap has not yet released our market cap or our circulating supply. And we have theories around that. But we don't have to even get into that. We can just look at what the information we have from the blockchain with the Etherscan here. It says 1 billion in market cap, right? So if we go to 1 billion in market cap, that places us past Monroe. If some people don't know Monroe, these are top coins. These coins have made a lot of people wealthy. These coins are real assets. They have value. You can see the value here. And so if we're doing $1 billion in market cap, now remember that $1 billion was based off total supply. Some people say you don't go by total, you go by circulating supply. Okay, we'll address that. Here's Monroe. That means we're number 13. All right. We're number 13. All right. We're a top 13 cryptocurrency and we're only at 8 cents. Massive buying opportunity. If you're seeing this video and you have not signed up and you're not in Karatbars and you don't have no coins, you're going to be kicking yourself. You're going to be mad at yourself because you're going to be like, damn, how can I have heard that information and not took advantage? What was wrong with me? That's what you're going to ask yourself. What issue did I have with either the person who was sharing the information, or what issue do I have with myself that I could not see that there is some value in there and I need to put my money into that? Okay? It's math, not emotion. All right. So let's get to the next part here. We're looking at $1 billion in market cap. Now, when I go to coin market cap and I click KBC and we look at KARATGOLD coin, I showed you that we're number what, 12 or 13? Coin market cap got us at 1802. Now that's you see, we can look at that as a good thing or a bad thing. You know, we know the value of it. We know the value of it. So when you know the value of it, you accumulate. Check this out. Up over 48%. Okay, but as you can see, they don't list our market cap, but I showed you the total supply for our market cap, and they don't list our circulating supply. I'll show you that in a second. But now when you go down to markets here, and you click markets, you can see the markets we're on. We're going to be on Binance very soon, but we just recently went to BitForex. How is it that they can list BitForex and not list everything else about our coin? But that's fine. So look, obviously we have our coin here at 9 cents on one exchange, trading in the BTC KBC market, 8 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 8 cents, 8 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents. And wow, this is a buying opportunity right here. Somebody better go to BitForex and take some Ethereum and buy you some KBC. Anyways, that's a whole nother, that's a training class right there. We know Karabit exchange training class, me and Brother Ramon do for people who want to know how to trade, because it's trading on the Karabit exchange. You can take that knowledge and information and trade on any exchange. They all operate the same way. They just look a little different. But anyways, now, when I go to Binance, all right, and I'm going to go ahead. Oh, I close it. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to go to Binance info. Refresh that screen. Now, a lot of people are asking me, I see you guys on Binance info, but I can't buy the coin on Binance. I know, because we're on Binance info, which is like coin market cap information, but we're not listed on Binance yet. That's an opportunity, because you think that we're the only ones looking at this coin on Binance info, and Binance info just got started, so to speak. But you think we're the only ones looking at this coin on Binance info? Look at where we are on Binance. We're number 17. You're dealing with a top 20 cryptocurrency here. That's 8 cents, massively undervalued, is taking off right now. So you're at 8 cents or 9 cents, excuse me. Look at that, 9 cents. The numbers keep changing. I mean, today I posted 14 cents on one exchange, all right? So look, I mean, I'm trying to drive some home here. So now look, here's the market cap. This market cap is going based upon our circulating supply, all right? The other market cap was going based on the total supply. So here's a market cap. Let's say this is 600 million, right? 600 million in market cap based upon the circulating supply. So if I go back to coin market cap and I try to determine where we are with 600 million in market cap, all right? Based upon market cap alone. Where are we here? Come on. Stop moving so slow. All right, here we go. We number 17. All right, because we over this coin here. All right. So you're dealing with a top 20 cryptocurrency here. However way you want to shake it. We either number 17 or we number 13. All right. So you're dealing with something that's massively undervalued. We're disrupting the whole cryptocurrency atmosphere. We're disrupting that whole space. So many millionaires are going to come out of Karatbars. And you're going to be somebody, and it's still going to be somebody who watched this video, won't sign up, won't get no coins, and going to make an excuse in their head why they couldn't take advantage of this opportunity, while we will be wealthy at a time where we're facing financial crisis. Okay? You have to understand that this is not a luxury. It's not a luxury to be a part of Karatbars. It's not, oh, you can make it. No, your financial future depends on it, because we're dealing with gold. We're dealing with money, something that has purchasing power, something that guarantees your financial security in the future in times of financial crisis and inflation. And that's what we're facing here. That's what we're looking at. The Federal Reserve came out and said the economy is slowing down. Okay, we're talking about job losses. You see the companies that are laying off people, store closings going on, okay? It's so many indicators. So much information coming out here trying to warn you and let you know that you better get your financial house in order. All right, so no matter how you shake it, no matter how you look at it, we're a top 20 cryptocurrency. All right. Oh, one other thing I wanted to show. Do I have it up here? All right, this is the website. This is the website for our KARATGOLD coin. I want you to notice right here. It says our aim is to reach market capitalization of 500 million by 2020. Okay? 2020. We're in 2019. This is March. We haven't even gotten to April yet. 500 million was our target. However you shake a stick at it, we're at 1 billion or we at 600 million. And remember, I said this is math, not emotion. So based on the math, we've exceeded our goals and expectations. Harold Sykes, our CEO, the founder and visionary of Karatbars International, over delivers and under promises. And I hope I said that right, and I hope you understand what I'm saying. This opportunity, this company will give you more than what you expected. I woke up the other day, and some of you know it. I woke up to free gold. I said free gold, okay? I woke up on that same day. I had free gold, and I had free cryptocurrency. Okay, free cryptocurrency. This company is paying us in assets to become wealthy, to become the new 1%, to become 6, 7, 8 figures, 9 figures wealthy. And you're looking at this information, some of you have not signed up, have not joined Karatbars, have not taken money out your savings account or your 401k, anywhere where it's going to be depreciating and losing value. If the Federal Reserve came out and said that the economy is slowing down, and they said that they're not going to increase interest rates and they're going to miss GDP forecasts, how does that affect your financial portfolio? What do you think is going to happen to your 401k? What do you think is going to happen to housing prices? What do you think is going to happen to dollar-denominated assets as countries around the world dump these bonds and the value of the dollar? Come on, come on. This is math, not emotion. You don't have to be a genius. You just have to have ears to listen and enough understanding to make a decision. That's it. You just got to have a little insight. And you got to have the will and courage to make a decision. So I had to show that. I had to share that information. As far as our coin, it's projected to be 1 gram of gold, one coin by 2023. I'm going to say we're going to surpass that. I'm going to say we're going to surpass 1 coin, 1 gram of gold by 2023. The world is looking for the next best thing, and Karatbars is it. This coin will explode. I'm going to try to, all right, let's put this in perspective. I'm going to put this in perspective real quick. I got to put it in a perspective real quick. All right, so put this in perspective, right? Bitcoin. If you saw the rise of Bitcoin, it went from like $2,000 to $20,000 in like 2 months, 2-3 months. I mean, it exploded. Exploded because people were looking for something. You know, the opportunity, the timing is right. I'm sitting here showing you that we have a cryptocurrency that's backed by gold that has a guaranteed value, okay, with a global payment system in gold, bank, ATMs, exchange, a payment systems in gold, a bank, gold mines, okay, a phone, telecommunicate. I'm telling you that this company has all of that. We have asset, we have infrastructure, we have institution, okay, and we have a company behind this coin. Bitcoin has none of that. And the world got excited about Bitcoin. When the world realizes KBC, what do you think is going to happen to KBC? I'm telling you, you better get you some coins. You better sign up. You're going to be sick. Especially in times of future financial crisis that we're facing right now with a global slowdown. Your 401k is in the most riskiest financial instrument right now, the stock market. Your money is tied. Your fiat currency is risky. If I go to the Federal Reserve website, I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to search around for it. But you can do your own research. You go to the Federal Reserve's website, they're going to tell you that the United States dollar is a liability. The United States dollar is the Federal Reserve's liability. This government, the Federal Reserve, is giving you their liability. And guess what they're buying? Guess what they're holding? They're holding gold. They're giving you the liability and they're holding gold. They're accumulating the asset and they're giving you the debt. You got to wake up. You got to wake up. I don't want to get too excited or too passionate, but I'm really trying to drive something home here. This is serious. This is serious. The Federal Reserve has admitted we're coming to a global slowdown, a slowdown in America. They're not going to increase interest rates. When the economy slows down, what do you think is going to happen to the stock market? Now, the stock market not going to crash overnight because they've been playing around with this system. There's a lot of dynamics and variables, and I'm not saying I know it all. Let me get this out of the way. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a legal attorney or any of things of these natures. I'm just a passionate Karatbars affiliate who cares about putting people in position to have financial freedom and escape this system of debt. Point blank, period. Okay? But what I'm saying is that you want to hedge. You want to hedge. You want to put yourself in position. You want to have some security. Okay? And that's what Karatbars International provides. That's the opportunity that you have right now. And I want to say this to you. Some people say, well, I don't got no money. I'm living paycheck to paycheck. You can sign up with Karatbars for free and you can get you 1 KBC for 8 cents. Stop making excuses. This company, you can sign up for free and make money from the free position. How serious are you about changing your financial future? How serious are you about protecting your life and your generations to come? This is the opportunity you need to change your life. You can sign up for free. You can get you some KBC for pennies. And you can make money from the free position. But do you have the determination? Do you have the faith? Do you have the courage? Do you have that currency of belief? It happens for people all the time. So, man, look, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all for hopping on this stream. I know I'm going on a little rant, you know, and I'm talking about some things, but I'm really just somebody who cares. I'm somebody who cares because when you see me, I'm just like you. I'm just like you. You know, I was born here and I'm trying to figure out the best way to get by and survive. And I want to put myself in position to be free. I don't want to be subject to anyone's conditions or terms for my life. I want to chart out my own path for my life. I want to be the master of my destiny. I want real freedom, an unencumbered freedom. I want time freedom. I want location freedom. I want financial freedom. I do not want to be stuck in the system of debt where I have to work 40 years of my life for 40 hours to retire on 40% of my income. I do not want to rely on this government. I don't want to rely on Social Security. I don't want to rely on Medicaid. I don't want to rely on nothing but my own ability to provide for myself. You got to understand what I'm saying and where I'm going with this. Read between the lines. All right? This Karatbars opportunity will change your life. It will change your life with a gold guarantee. All right, so I don't want to hold y'all too long. You know, I just wanted to go over that. Look at that, $1.990 billion or something. The number's getting crazy, so it done increased. The coin's at 9 cents. When I started this video, I want y'all to understand something. When I started this video, however long it was ago, I just refreshed the screen. It was at 8.8 cents. Now we're over 9 cents, okay? It's continuing to grow. And the point that I wanted to drive home was when Bitcoin blew up from 2,000 to 20,000, a lot of people were priced out of the market, okay? Nobody knows what gold is going to do. When gold goes from 13 to 1,500 to $2,000 an ounce, okay, you're going to be priced out of this opportunity. What I mean is your money will not buy you what it will buy you right now. You don't have the luxury of waiting. Some of you are getting your tax returns. and you're thinking about buying a new car. You're thinking about going on vacation. You're thinking about buying liabilities. You're thinking about using that money in a way that's not going to guarantee your financial future and put you in position to have financial freedom. I'm going to take your money and use it wisely. You have to have your money work harder for you than you work for it. Okay? You have to find a way to have multiple streams of income. It's about freedom. All right? So, you know, it's a real opportunity. Things are taking off. I'm even honored and blessed to be able to just be a part of this opportunity and bring this information. I was born for this. I was born to be in this time because it's not by accident that I know what I know. I study what I study, and I can articulate what I articulate. And I'm in this company that I can be able to use what I know, and the way I'm able to articulate and touch people with the information that I share and the way I share it, for them to see the value in this opportunity. Something going on this planet right now. The whole world is in chaos because we're about to face a financial crisis globally. And a lot of people are not going to make it. But for those who hear and Karatbars, for those who know the real assets of gold and silver, land, and who are putting themselves in position to have multiple streams of income, the future just looks a little better for them. And that's what we want for you. That's what we want for you. And so that's why we're so passionate. That's why we're always on your stream. That's why we're always on your Facebook. That's why we're always sharing information about Karatbars. It's not about us. It's not about us. Trust and believe. I'm not sharing this information because it's about me. All right? I'm good. I've been in Karatbars for over a year. I made sure I'm good. I came in at the ICO of this coin. I know I'm good. I save my money in an asset, which is gold. And I understand that the US dollar is a liability. And I know what an asset is. But do you know? Do you have gold? Are you in Karatbars? Do you have multiple streams of income? Do you have KBC? Are you prepared for the financial wealth transfer that's about to take place? Because when these markets come down, when this global financial crisis hit, money doesn't disappear. It just changes hands. It just moves from one person to the next. And so what's going to happen? All of this bad money, all this debt is going to come flooding to real assets. It's going to come flooding to gold. It's going to come flooding to gold-backed cryptocurrency. And it's going to come flood to those of us in Karatbars because we are in position. No matter which way this world economy goes, whether it goes back to the gold standard or it goes to the future of cryptocurrency, we have the perfect marriage of both. We got gold and we got gold-backed cryptocurrency with a compensation plan that's very lucrative that benefits you for sharing this information with people. How do you lose? We can guarantee you're going to make money. We can't guarantee you how much, and we can't guarantee how soon, because that's all predicated upon your desire to be free. Man, we got new referral links in the back office that make that streamline this business to where you just share that referral link. It got the video on there, the documentation, everything on that link. And when they sign up, it's in your organization. There's no excuse not to win in Karatbars. Some people say, I'm not a recruiter, I don't want to share information, or this and that, and I'm an introvert and all this and that. That's fine. You can become a millionaire by choice. Get you some KBC. Get you some KCB. Get your business package. Sign up with Karatbars. These assets are guaranteed to appreciate in value because of the underlying asset, which is gold, and because of the blockchain technology and the cryptocurrency world right now is taking off. Okay, so we're dealing with a guarantee. You don't have to market this opportunity if you don't want to, but you must make sure you get you some coin. You best make sure you buy your business package, right? And then if you're ambitious and you want to make more money, then you share this opportunity. If you care about others, you share this opportunity. I'm sharing this because I care about others. You know what? I don't even have to do this video. I don't have to do this video. I don't have to share with anybody. I could be somebody who just stack on these coins, knowing what I know, and make sure that I'm good and my family's good. But I care about people. And I know the time that we're in. And I know the challenges that we're about to face globally. And I know how that's going to affect people I know and people that I don't know. All right? I care for humanity. And so does Harold Sykes. My brother Marcus. I'll call you back, sir. But look, I'm gonna go ahead and close the stream down. I appreciate y'all for hopping on the stream. I hope I didn't offend anybody. My intentions for this video was really to just express the opportunity, also let you know of the financial situation the world is facing. Was not my intention to offend anybody at all. But look, I just want to share this information with you. Get back to the person that shared this video with you and let them know that you want to sign up with Karatbars, that you want to get your business package, that you want to get KBC, KCB, that you want to make an additional stream of income for yourself from home with a home-based business. Let them know that you're ready to start saving in gold because you understand gold is an asset that increases in value, and the US dollar is a liability. It's a debt note. Because of inflation, it loses value. You don't have to say all that, but you understand what I'm trying to drive home. Let them know. And if it's your first time seeing this video, or you've been seeing this video and I'm the person who's exposing you to this opportunity with Karatbars, no matter how I know you, if we don't talk a lot or we don't really know each other, we kind of just seen each other passing by, don't let that stop you from reaching out to me. Get back with me so you can sign up. It's bigger than emotions. Get all your emotions and ego out the way. It's math. So anyways, shout out to the wealth builders. I'll catch you on the next stream. I'm out.